Something just grabbed on. Actually felt that one. Something fairly heavy. Oh, it's like a metal plate or something. Wonderful. Covered in fucking mud. Gross. I'm gonna see if I can get this cleaned off a little bit. Oh, big old metal plate. Holy cow. What else we got? Another nail. Oh man. Holy smokes. There we go. Big old metal plate. Something else down there, maybe another casting net or something, or not, whatever. I snagged a couple of bungee cords. And whatever this is. There you go, a pair of pliers. There we go. And a pair and some sunglasses.
And a pair of sunglasses.
Look at that. Yeah, I got a bunch of tethers now and tied it to it, and then I got some chain and put it on there so I can grab it with the magnet if I ever screwed up again.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. Wow.
I mean, look at it. See, I mean, I'm 193 pounds and I'm leaning on it. It's not just, it's on something. It could just be dragging something though, but it's gonna break off and I'm gonna fall in the water. Watch.
That's amazing to me.
There's definitely something down there.
What amazes me is whatever it is, it's metal.
Yeah, or it could be a log I'm just snagging.
So?
It could be, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, you can definitely just get stuff wrapped around. I pulled a coat out of the water one time with no metal on it. It just got wrapped around it just right.
Oh, okay.
That was kind of funny because it looked like a dang body.
Yeah.
When it popped out of the water. Yeah, it was just somebody's coat that they'd lost boating, I guess. I don't know.
What I'm amazed at down here is you haven't pulled out a small Evan Rudiz.
Oh, they just grabbed on something right there. I just felt it. Just grabbed something.
I see it.
Oh, something. That's something. Yeah, the first time I came here, I found 2 fishing knives. It's on there, whatever this is, it's something.
Good Lord, look at that.
Oh, well, now I need to get it out now. Now we gotta know what it is. Whatever it is, it's like there's only part of it that's magnetic, I think. What the heck is that?
Goodness. These are the dock?
Oh. I wonder what, I think I'm just holding on to like one bolt on it or something.
Yeah.
Well, shoot, man, I can't not get that out. I wonder if it's just like a bolt going through it or something that it's grabbing onto or something.
Yeah. Well, now that's interesting.
Oh, yeah, now I'm not getting it.
How we doing?
I can't not get that out, whatever it is. Gotta be like one of them like fly fisher waders suits. This is all muck down there though, probably, huh? What the heck, man?
That's amazing.
There it goes.
Whoa, that's a shaft. No. That's a, wow. What is that?
I don't know.
Looks like a piston, doesn't it? Well,
I can't, I don't got a good grip on it. Holy what the heck?
drive shaft?
Is that part of the dock? What the? I don't know.
Whoa, look at that. Man, look at that.
Well, this might be the coolest thing I've ever found. That must be what I kept rolling under this log.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Is this all,
Wow.
is this just a wood pylon? Is that what it is?
No, it's got a mechanic. Well,
Oh, it's not wood, it's plastic.
plastic. Looks like fiberglass or plastic.
Yeah.
But look on the bottom in there. It's got a. Are those grease fittings?
I don't know. Look, this is all it's grabbing onto is these.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I wonder what the hell that is.
I don't know. Well, mystery solved, I guess.
That is amazing.
Yeah, what's crazy though is the only part magnetic is just those screws. Those grub screws.
Yeah.
That's all it's grabbing onto is those. The rest of it's not really magnetic. I guess that is. That is wild.
Yeah, that's the fiberglass. I think.
Alright, this is heavy, whatever it is. Guy left too soon. I don't know what that is, but very cool. Pull out of the water. Pulled out of the water. Hello. Oh, shit. Found an umbrella. It's an umbrella. So stupid. Too funny. Fishing pole. All right, battery's about to die. Go and wrap it up. So, cool stuff I found here. Umbrella, whatever this is. Somebody thought clock weight. It's definitely some kind of boat anchor, probably a little fishing pole, like a kid's fishing pole. Metal plate, might be a seat plate. Something from a boat, I'm sure. A couple bungee cords, pliers, pair of shades, and of course the lamp post. So that's all the cool stuff I found. If you're interested in any of the gear I'm using, links will be in the description. Questions or comments, as always, put them in the comments. And I got nothing else to add, man. Till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.